Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know it's been a while, I haven't filmed anything, but today we're actually going to be installing my old stock seats, which are right there. We're going to be installing my old stock seats into the IS. As you see, I have a suede seat, only that's all I have. But I had my friend let me borrow this seat because I was getting all the seats reupholstered. And yeah, so this video is more, it's going to show you exactly how to change out a seat, how to reinstall a seat, how to take them off. Same concept. And it goes the same as installing new bucket seats or whatever type of seat you want to install. So guys, let's get to it. Alright, first things first, we're going to do the back seat because that way I don't have it laying on my trunk. And it's also, I don't need to take anything off. It's already, everything is off. So normally you would want to vacuum it. I don't know what that gunk is there. Ooh, a penny. I'll take out that penny later. They're going to be going through the hole right there for the bucket or for the seats. So I'm going to actually start doing that now. Alright, so when installing it, you're just going to want to put it in. This is going to go under here. And then I got to feed the, I don't know, the bracket thingies through the holes. And on the seats, as you see where those yellow things are, they're just gonna get, by pressure, you're just gonna push them into that. And it's pretty much easy. It's just pushing. There's no bolts or anything that you gotta undo and stuff. Alright, that's pretty much it. It's literally, the things go in the back, push it down, and as you see, it's already clipped in. And yeah. The back seats are done. Now I gotta do the front. The front, if I'm correct, you gotta do these 4 bolts. I think they're 17s. I gotta double check. I'll tell you now. I think they're 17s. So there's one here, one over there, and then 2 under here. Alright, I lied. It is actually a 14. You're gonna need to move the seat up and down, kinda so you could like get this one and then move it back so you could get the other fronts. So let me do that right now, guys. Alright, 2 bolts are out on this side. Now you're gonna come to the front, move the seat back. You're gonna get this bolt right here and that bolt right there. Alright, bolts are off, as you see over there. And now to pull the seat out. So what I recommend is steering wheel up, kind of bring the seat up a little bit so it's a little as straight as possible. And that way it could slide out. Remember, there are 2 plugs underneath here. There's the airbag plug and then the motor, like the up and down motor plug. So you gotta unplug those 2 things. They're gonna be a little lower on the seat, like in there. I just have them detached so they're just hanging there. Stock seats are super heavy compared to buckets. Oh my god. Alright. The seat is in. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. But now I gotta pretty much move it around, bolt in the, or plug on the things so I can move the seat up and down because it's got no power. It's not connected. So that way I could actually get all the things where they go. Alright. So now we got back seats again. And we got front driver. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. With an interior, the car looks, I like the gutted look, but with an interior, the car looks different. I like it. I don't know. But yeah, now we gotta install the passenger seat and then we are all done. This is pretty easy. Honestly, it could take you like 10 minutes. And now we gotta install the passenger seat. Remember, those are the plugs you gotta install. I just have it tucked under, that way they're not like flipping around. But 4 bolts, it's the same as the driver's seat. But yeah, let's do that right now. And just like that, guys, it is done. And like I said, it's not that hard. It's hot. It's just that it's got to be done. It's literally in total 8 bolts. 4 on the driver, 4 on the passenger. But like I was saying, definitely changes the look. Looks a lot better with full interior. And yeah, we are done here. The IS is back to full interior. Unripped full interior, which is the main thing. But yeah, guys, just like that, I'm going to be ending the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in. like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. Y'all already know what to do. Until next time, peace out.